Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Apple Watch keeps pausing during the workouts, you can just simply try these troubleshooting methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to start with the most common cause. You need to open your iPhone, then simply open the watch application. Afterwards, you just have to go to the section of workout. Over here, you are going to see the workout. When you click on it, you will see a bunch of different options like end the workout, pause it, or dismiss it. So you need to basically turn off the auto pause option. If it is enabled, your Apple Watch pauses automatically when it detects the low movement, which can interrupt the workouts like walking, cycling, or gym sessions. So disabling it is going to keep tracking continuous. Now you need to check how the watch is worn. So make sure that your Apple Watch fits snugly on your wrist and it should not be too loose. So you can come inside the settings here. Inside the settings, simply look for the option of passcode. Now inside passcode, simply look for the option of wrist detection. So make sure that this particular toggle button is on. If the watch loses skin contact, it may pause the workout automatically. Sweat, movement, or loose fit can also cause this issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.